Okay, unboxing Trump's action figure. That's a nice package. President Donald Trump, an overreaction figure. Figure based on original artwork by Mike Levitt from Factory. Very cool company. TrumpActionFigures.com. Oh, it's got a nice, really high, shiny gold 2016. There it is. President Trump in gold. Oh, and it's even got a little bit of a damage, a little crushed, which actually adds to the value as far as I'm concerned. Factory. Ages, was it 14 and up? An overreaction figure. Why? Because he's given the finger. See? There's Trumpy. Now, let's just take a really good look at that. It's pretty darn good. It looks like that hair comes off, doesn't it? Yep, that looks like that hair detaches for sure. Nice shiny lapels. Nice suit. Hands appropriately small. Look at that background with dollar bills, dollar signs, I mean. And then giving the old finger, and that arm moves. You can see it's a joint there, so the arm can raise and give the finger. Manipulate it. Let's see if he's got shoes on there. Can't really see down there. Yeah, he's got shoes. All right, so listen, I'm not going to take them out of the box. That would be crazy, wouldn't it? I got to leave this, for my grandkids to take to Antique Roadshow. If there's a planet left. There it is, unboxed Trump overreaction figure.